Welcome to How to Do It. Today we will see how to check if your channel is eligible to earn money or monetization. So this is my YouTube channel. First we need to go to YouTube Studio. That's on the right hand side. Click on YouTube Studio. Okay. This will help us to land on channel dashboard page. Now we have to go to monetization, that is on the left hand side. Go down to monetization. Click on it. So this page says currently as I have less than 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours. As a YouTube partner, we are eligible to earn money from the videos, but for that we need 4000 public watch hours in last 12 months and 1000 subscribers. So this is the criteria for your channel to be eligible to earn money and become a YouTube partner. Now let's talk about this portion, right? So as you can see, I have currently 34 subscribers and 1000 is required. I have 1 public watch hours, 4000 required. So this gets updated after some time. If you want to track the current status, the real-time status, go to dashboard and you can see number of subscribers 35 and watch hour is 24.2. But if you go to monetization, it reflects 1 subscriber less, which is yet to be updated here, and a lot of public hours needs to be updated here too. No worries, this will get updated with time. It just takes some days to get updated. So this is how we check. You will get a notification button here. If you click on it, you will get a message like this. We will send you an email when you are eligible to apply for monetization. If you want to check the YouTube monetization policies, click on this and a new tab will open, which will have all the YouTube channel monetization policies. Go through it. It is very much important for all YouTubers, especially who joined recently, to go through all the details and make sure that they are not doing anything that can get their YouTube channel as blocked. Thank you.